Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to change banner image on Twitter. Follow along. This tutorial will be for the desktop users, but don't worry because the process is exactly the same for mobile users. So firstly, you're going to log into your Twitter and click on Profile from the right side. Now once you are on the profile page, you are going to click on this Edit Profile button. This will open up a new pop-up from here. You can see this camera icon on both your banner and your profile picture. Click the one on your banner and it will ask you to select a banner image. Keep in mind that the recommended Twitter banner dimensions are 1500 x 500 pixels. However, don't be afraid to design larger than the recommended Twitter banner dimensions of 1500 x 500 pixels. A larger image that is still in a 3:1 ratio will compress and shrink down with more information than an image that is uploaded smaller. Now select image and you will be allowed to crop and zoom. Once you have adjusted the image, click apply and it will give you a preview of how it will look on your profile. Press save if you are satisfied and you will see your new banner uploaded on your profile. So this is how to change banner image on Twitter.